Are you ready to draw little cute Shakira together? Now let's draw with me. Hello little soccer fans. Welcome to Little Pencil Draw. Grab your pencil and let's draw. First, start by drawing a nice U shape for her cute face. Make it smooth and round at the bottom. Connect the sides of his head to the ears. Then, complete the top with her wavy front hair and the little curly strands framing the sides. Next, let's draw her big right eye with sparkling highlights and cute eyelashes at the bottom and sides. Repeat the exact same steps to draw her left eye. Making sure it matches the right one with the same sparkle and lovely eyelashes. Now, let's add a tiny nose. A big happy smiling mouth showing her teeth. And two cute arched eyebrows above her eyes. Draw her neck. The short t-shirt with a pretty ribbon bow hanging down. And her left arm holding a round soccer ball. Below the shirt, draw her shorts with a big number 1 on it. And draw her right arm pointing down to the side. Draw the big fluffy curly hair behind her head. Letting the curls flow nicely over her shoulders and arms. Then, add the fun wavy design lines inside the soccer ball. Finally, draw her 2 legs and finish off the drawing with her cool blue and white sneakers at the bottom. Great job! And done! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye!